I have a lot of kirimochi in my pantry and I have to do something for it. I wonder why they are selling in such a big pack. So today I will turn the kirimochi into healthy rice crackers. Let's get started. Cut kirimochi into 1/2 inch cubes. It's so firm, so hold your knife tightly and carefully cut into cubes. Place a piece of parchment paper and arrange them on a microwave-safe plate, keeping a space to be puffed up. By the way, I bought this plate from IKEA for less than $1. It allows me to cook in the microwave without any problem. Microwave the kirimochi for 1 minute on 800 watt. If your microwave oven has lower power, cook 1 minute longer, but keep your eyes on the kirimochi because it is going to be overcooked and burned. Carefully take the plate out using your towels because it is so hot and check the crispness. If it's not crisp enough, cook additional 20 to 30 seconds until it's crispy and dry. After cooking, the mochi looks like this and smells just like toasted mochi. To season the puffed up mochi, mix dashi powder, sugar, and soy sauce. Combine and cook in the microwave for 30 seconds until the sugar dissolves. Add the rice cracker and toast really well using your spatula. And it's almost done. Sprinkle Aonori seaweed if you want because it matches with soy sauce very well. I love it so much. Put them on a wire rack for a few hours to dry them out. Keep it in an airtight container and store it at room temperature. It keeps its crispness for the next few days. It's a bit tougher in the texture than the store-bought, but it tastes freshly made and it feels good and there's no additional ingredients that we don't want. I hope you get this idea and just give it a try. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families, and consider subscribing if you don't want to miss any of my new videos. And follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And join my happy eating group to share your food with me. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. And for more information, visit my website princessbamboo.com. Thanks again and I will see you soon. Bye!